My research paper was on deepfake. Deepfake is still spreading like never before. My argument has been about consistency. Document your process until the fake becomes redundant. Everything boils down to your presence. Your presence is the best way you can combat deepfake. Now let's get more specific. Step 1, consistency over virality. You are not looking for virality, you are just looking to be consistent. Letting the algorithm know the kind of person you are. Everything you are doing is being stored through the way you speak, the people you talk to, how you present yourself. Everything is being documented. Secondly, when it comes to your voice, try out your voice on different platforms, either podcasts, video calls. Just record something that speaks to how authentic your voice looks like and what your voice is. Build community, collaborate with people, talk to people, let people know who you are, let people know what you stand for, interact with people around you. And fourthly, spread your content and spread your identity over different platforms. Let people know who you actually are. Let your footprint be everywhere, so when people are looking for the real you, they know where to find you. This way, you are able to combat deepfake. Your presence is all that is needed. Just document your process. Document everything about you. You don't have to be impossible to fake. You just have to be hard to fake. That is just it. Peace out.